Well, the Congress-era Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde has stoked a big controversy. At the launch of his memoir, the veteran Congress leader said that he was afraid to roam freely in Srinagar's Lal Chowk. Listen in.
विजय भाई जब मैं होम मिनिस्टर था उसके पहले मैं उनके पास जाता था और एडवाइस भी मांगता था। तो उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसा असली एडवाइस किया कि सुशील बोले तू इधर उधर मत भटक, तू लाल चौक में जाके वहां भाषण कर, कुछ लोगों से मिल और डल लेक में घूमते चलो ऐसा। और वो एडवाइस से मुझे बहुत कुछ पब्लिसिटी मिली और लोगों में एक ऐसा होम मिनिस्टर है कि जो बिना डर के वो जाता है, लेकिन मेरी फटती थी वो किसको बताऊंगा। सच्ची है, नहीं वो हिंदी लेकिन हंसाने के लिए मैंने बोला, लेकिन ऐसा एक्स पुलिस वाला ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है।
So this is what Sushil Kumar Shinde said, the Congress-era Home Minister, going on to say that he was afraid to roam around freely in Lal Chowk. While he made that statement, there were many who also applauded him. Now the BJP has responded. Listen in.
When Mr. Shinde admits himself that he was scared during the time of UPA, being a home minister at that time, he admitted himself that he was scared to raise the failure of the Congress at that time. So it reflects the Congress government's failure to insist confidence to restore the peace in Jammu and Kashmir. The fact is that the Union Home Minister of India felt fear during the crucial time, raised a serious question about the Congress' ability to secure the nation. Comparing this to Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra is nothing but I think it's a political stunt. The peaceful environment in which he could have traveled across the Kashmir Valley is direct result of the strong policies of the current government.
So this is the admission that has come in from the UPA era Mantri, and he was the Home Minister no less, who is going on to say that when he was the Home Minister, he was afraid to even step into Lal Chowk. He said that I became the Home Minister. Before that, I visited the educationist and I used to ask him for advice. And he spoke about his subsequent visit to Srinagar. He went on to say that the one advice that he was given is that a Home Minister who goes without any fear. So he spoke about having fear in his mind as he stepped into Srinagar. The BJP now says that this is the admission of the truth, the reality that the people of Jammu and Kashmir lived with for many years, saying that this is the biggest endorsement yet for the abrogation of Article 370. My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, this is perhaps what was the truth then, sea of change now, but more importantly, this is a big admission that has come in from somebody who was not just within the government. This was the Home Minister that we are speaking about.
Yes, you're absolutely right. He's not an ordinary person. He had been the Home Minister during Congress regime. And he is admitting that he was scared of moving in Lal Chowk, and despite the advice given by one of his friends. Though it was a photo opportunity, he got a lot of publicity. He said, but in the heart of hearts, he was scared of moving freely in Lal Chowk. And see now how the situation has really changed. I think this is the biggest ever endorsement, you rightly said, reason being, and that often we see that Congress and their allies, National Conference, they keep on hitting out at BJP, saying that nothing has changed after application of Article 370. Listen to what actually the former Home Minister is saying. Now look at the situation on the ground this time. Night market has started. There is a memorial. There was a time when the separatists used to call shots in Lal Chowk area. They often used to come out for agitation. There used to be ISIS flag. There used to be Pakistani flag. And now you can see only the tricolor floating there. Not only that, not to talk of the VVIPs moving in Lal Chowk, even a common man from any part of the country can come out to this place. So one Home Minister scared of moving, and other Home Minister Amit Shah creating an atmosphere where anybody can move freely anytime and in Kashmir Valley especially in Lal Chowk area, because Lal Chowk was considered to be hub of terror-related activity. On several occasions, we saw that how Yasin Malik, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, separatist leader, they used to give call for hartal. They used to come out to this place, raise anti-India slogan, and used to talk of waging war against India. Now see how the things have really changed. People come out to this place, they enjoy things, they raise tricolor, they sing songs. So this is a kind of a transformation that has taken place after abrogation of Article 370, and already we can see the change on the ground. We have seen that how stone pelting has come to screeching halt. We have seen that how the terror-related activities have decreased. We can see the smile on the faces of the mothers. No more they have the tears in their eyes. No more they are losing their sons because of stone pelting or getting lured to the gun culture. Today, there are about 130 terrorists, and all the terrorists are Pakistani terrorists. There is hardly any youngster joining terror rank because they have realized that the biggest ever benefit they'll be getting will be being part of the mainstream. Even the Jamaati Islami people who always used to talk of waging war against India, they used to talk about plebiscite. They are also participating in elections. That means they too have rejected separatism, said goodbye to terrorism, and turned their back towards Pakistan. That is a kind of a change. And now, in fact, the former Home Minister himself saying, despite the advice given to him of moving in Lal Chowk, but he was scared of moving, having large number of security personnel surrounding him. Despite that, he was afraid of moving freely in Lal Chowk. But now look at the atmosphere, the winds of the change that have started blowing. One can see that each and every person moving freely without any fear, holding their head high on shoulder with dignity, saying that yes, we are Indians and Kashmir is an integral part of India. We can move around freely in any other part of country the way we are moving right now in Lal Chowk. So that is a kind of biggest ever endorsement. I think Rahul Gandhi and others should listen to it. Even Umar Abdullah, just other day, they were the one who were saying that nothing has really changed in Jammu and Kashmir. They should listen to what Sushil Kumar Shinde is saying, because he was the Home Minister. He knew about the situation on the ground. What has really changed since August 2019 when Article 370 was abrogated? Before that, even it was difficult for the security personnel to man that area, because there was hardly a day when the grenade was not lobbed. There was hardly a day when they were not targeted by the terrorists, because terrorists used to call shots. There is something called Aadus syndrome, because in Lal Chowk, just few meters away from Lal Chowk, there is a hotel called Aadus. Most of the journalists used to stay there. So most of the attacks used to take place in the vicinity of that Aadus hotel, so that they wanted to have a big banner headline. But now the tourists stay there in Aadus. They enjoy ice cream. Even we have seen Rahul Gandhi along with his sister enjoying playing with the snowball there in Lal Chowk area. That clearly indicates that things have really changed ever since Article 370 has been abrogated. But after listening to Sushil Kumar Shinde, I think the debate comes to rest forever, because now I don't think that the Congress will have any point of view to criticize and hit out at BJP and trying to blame them for that. Nothing has changed after Article 370. In fact, it has only added to the problem for the people of Kashmir Valley. The man on ground will tell you the real story. And the real story is that there is a smile on their faces. Night markets have opened. G20 summit has been there. Theatres have opened, something which nobody would have dreamt of a few years back.
Yes, absolutely. And now we have people all across the country going to Lal Chowk. It has become a center of celebrations as well. Stay with us. Anurag Thakur has also hit out at the Congress party. This is after the statement that was made by Sushil Kumar Shinde. A reaction coming in from Anurag Thakur. Listen in.
What was the situation of Jammu and Kashmir during the UPA regime? How the separatist forces, the terrorists, used to have terror-like situation, fear among the masses. If the Home Minister, the former Home Minister of the country, is making such statement that clearly says they have not done much during their tenure. Look at the situation then and now. Today Rahul Gandhi goes with his sister and play with the snowballs. They feel the safety and security there. It is all because the Article 370 is being abolished. तो उस समय के गृह मंत्री को डर लगता था. आज के गृह मंत्री ने ऐसा वातावरण खड़ा किया है कि देश के कोने से कोई भी आए लाल चौक पर टहल सकता है.
All right, biggest vindication for the abrogation of Article 370. That's what Anurag Thakur says. Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those inputs.